Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another craft fair idea. I decided to make a ton of these little cute gift card holders. I think they came out absolutely adorable. I used a couple different bows from my stash. I used this bow die, which I picked up off of AliExpress. And then I also used this bow die right here, which is, oh my goodness, I think it's Jillian Vance Designs bow die, yes. So I used those two different bow dies, and then the envelope, I actually used a square scalloped die, and I made these envelopes using the die and the We Are Memory Keepers punch board. And I do have a tutorial on how to create this envelope in case you haven't seen it, but it's super easy to use your die and get this really pretty decorative edge, and use your We Are Memory Keepers punch board and create a super cute gift card holder. So what I did for my craft fair is I made a ton of these, and I just had a few examples. I did use this craft paper that I think I just had in my stash for a while, so I just went ahead and used it, and it looked, you know, Christmassy. So I just used different pattern papers, different colored bows, and I think they came out super cute. So this is a quick little craft fair project idea. Just wanted to share with you what I'm creating for my craft fair. I hope that you're inspired. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.